Hello friends, welcome back to my channel YK Info. So some people have still are whether they are going to select Salesforce service now. Before that, basically you are going to select one of them. So basically this is just a survey. It is not compulsory that once you select either of Salesforce and service now, you will definitely get a 10 on that like competency. So basically it depends upon number of requirements. All the candidate will not get 10 through this Salesforce service now. They will go through prior module, and after that they will go to other steam trainings in other domain. So basically it is just a survey mail, so you can give your consent accordingly. What are you interested in Salesforce service now? According to that, some number of candidate will be get trained through this uh, like um, s- uh, Steam, Salesforce service now, and some other people who left, who do not get training through this program, they will go through Prime module and other Steams like Pega and other things, so that you will be trained. And those candidates who are going to select whether they are not able to decide whether they go through Salesforce and service now. Basically the name says Salesforce is a customer relationship management tool, and in that there is a two role, like for developer and admin. You have to develop, admin will give access and other things, so this role will be there, and you will be receive a training orientation session before like a training start. Like you will receive orientation session, in that they will tell like what are the things you have to learn through the training program. There will be certain types of module you have to complete. They will give a training through a smart bridge. Last time they will train for through a smart bridge. This time maybe other third party will train you for the Salesforce virtual intensive program, and they will give certain module for admin role and certain module for developer role. And for service now, basically there is a training through their way, and they will train, and they will directly deploy into the like project. Basically service now is a service provide for HR based service, or maybe some other service like ticket raising. If you have your laptop is not working, then you can raise ticket, then they will provide those service now. They will provide service, and this is also two roles for like developer roles is also there in service now. So both are good, depends upon your interest. You can choose anyone, and both are different, not similar tool. Both are different tools, and you will know once you will start training. So definitely some people will get training through Salesforce, and some people will be trained through ServiceNow. And one thing is that Salesforce, there is a certification. You have to complete certification after completing your training. Means once you complete training through a SmartWiz or other training partner, and they will provide training for certification also, and they will provide some certificate for training completion. And after that, you have receive call regarding booking of your slot for the certification exam, and you have to give the certification. Once you will complete the certification, after that you will be onboarded and deployed into the project. If you will not complete the certification, then you will be normally onboarded, and you will get trained through the stream trainings, other like these things, other streams may be possible. And for service now, you once you complete the training, you do not have to give the certification. You will be directly onboarded and deployed into the project. So these things are for these two like competency. And you know that this program will start maybe in April onwards, because last year they started April onwards for orientation session and trainings. And as you know, you will also receive primer according with these training programs, and you have to also complete the primer module along with this Salesforce module and service now. So for primer, there is also two types of primer for Salesforce. There is Java and SQL, and other agile and other things. For service now, there is AWS, ITIL, other JavaScript, other things. You have to complete the modules, and after they will take exam, you will be informed about the exam and training modules for Salesforce and service now. And these things will happen in future, so you start keeping your checking your mails once, maybe April onwards they will start giving training for these modules. And along with they will give a training program for Salesforce through a smart bridge or other service now training program through other third party partners. So wait for that, and give your consent, because it is just a survey mail. You give your consent, like whether you are interested in Salesforce service now in future. You may receive other other like you may receive in future other survey mail for other streams, because these surveys are coming in different months, and you have to complete these surveys. You do not leave it, because it not make any sense if you leave this survey and it will show like task not completed, because other people will going to select. So you can also select one of them and choose accordingly what you want. And so guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Love it. Thank you.